Hello, welcome back to iMakePlans. I'm Sharice. Today we're going to open some pin mail. So this is, this is a pin that I won in a giveaway from Monteverde on their Instagram account. It was, they were launching their first piston fountain pen and they celebrated it with a giveaway. Okay, little bookmark there. On the giveaway, there were three pens. One was coal gray, purple frost, and black noir. I went with the purple frost. I don't really have a lot of purple pens. Before I open it, I also was given my choice of one ink. I just told them to pick whatever went with the pen. Do a swatch of that. I was thinking, since this is a demonstrator pen, that maybe Poison Envy would be good, but we'll see. So the pen. That's cute. Okay. Just checking out what is all in. Oh, there's a how-to video. What's all in the box. Move that out the way. So this is the Monteverde MP1 fountain pen in purple frost. First internal piston fountain pen ever produced by Monteverde. And it was released as part of their 25th anniversary celebration. On the cap, the finial, it has the Monteverde logo. The clip is not very flexible, but slides on to notepad pretty easy. I don't have a cover right beside me with a pin loop, or I would put it in there to see how it slides in, but I'm sure it's fine. On the back of the cap, it says Monteverde USA, MP1, the model of the pen. The bottom of the pen and the finial are rounded, they're not flat. And then looking at the nib, I got a stub. So it says 1.1, Monteverde across the top, the logo, and then at the bottom it says Monteverde USA. The grip section has little divots, which is nice. I appreciate that. I do like pens that have the little indentation in the grip area, especially on a stub, which is good. This is a demonstrator pen, so it is clear. It features this lock technology so that it doesn't turn in your bag. I don't think I've ever had, well, I only have Twisbees that are like this, but I've never had a problem with that. Okay, capping it. This is very long for me. I probably won't cap it. And I don't like the feel of, with this being aluminum, I don't like the way that feels rubbing up against it. Okay. So now let's see what we're going to ink it up with. But this is the Midori notebook. We'll just do a test in here. I don't think I need that. I'll just put it there. Okay. And I'm gonna test both and see which one I like the most, and that'll be what I ink the pen up with. And this is just a standard ink. Let's see. Do I have a dropper anywhere? Okay. I have one. Does it have this? I get the plastic off. Okay. Okay. I have a lot of these Bath and Body Works concentrated room spray. I've really been liking using the lid of it to do my swatches, just in a big old circle. Okay, and since this swatch is just for me to see the color of the ink, I'm not going to do a writing sample until I decide which one I'm going to ink the pen with. And this one has shimmer in it. So, get another one. And let's see what this is. I can't remember if this is really dark or light. I actually don't use much purple. Okay, yeah, that's really dark. So, and I don't even think I got any of the shimmer. I know I have some other purples, but they're sample size, because like I said, I don't really write with purple a lot. So I don't have very many, and I didn't want to dig through it. This was the only one that was like on the top shelf. So we are gonna ink it up. It's a little scratchy, but I think I only have one stub that's like super smooth. Most of them do have a little scratchiness to it, but it flows really good. And again, it could be this paper. Let me see. Oh. There is no bleed through, a little ghosting. But, okay, so I think my other two stubs are inked. And this one may not have any ink left because I wrote a letter and I think I used it all. This is the only demonstrator I think that it's compared to as the TWSBI. This is the Diamond 580, which it's a little taller with the cap. The Monteverde is taller. and same. So yeah, pretty similar pens. Weight wise, the Eco is lighter, but the TWSBI 580, the Diamond 580, the weight is similar. So I would compare it to this TWSBI. So that is a Monteverde MP1 in Purple Frost. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.